wathi ngizonke khuluma indaba yamanzi ukuthi lamanzi ahloliwe wakhuluma ngalamanzi ukuthi amanzi a-special awafani namanzi ongavele wathole noma yikuphi awafani namanzi ongawathola empompini okusho ukuthi uma umuntu ozophuza lamanzi laso khomba khona ukuthi umuntu okwenye i-level. So saselapho ngakangena nge-topic yami funa ukuthi usikhumbuze nje into yodwa yokuthi ukwenza i-example about lamanzi. Yabona uma wathenga esishop okuyona ejwayelekile ungawathola ebiza 7 rand, but maze wathenga egarage wathola ethi 12 rand, maze wathenga e-restaurant wathola ethi 17 rand. Bese uyasibuza ukuthi what is this has to do with the price? Why the price change? The problem is not water. Into enkulu is about the environment. Ukuthi akuphi lamanzi.